about fractions. Yesterday we talked about how to add fractions. Today we're going to talk about how to subtract them, okay? So, we are going to talk about denominators. What is the denominator?
The bottom number.
The bottom number. It's the number on the bottom of the bar. Okay? So we're going to use these examples. How many hexagons do we have right here?
5.
5. And so if we were going to write this as a fraction, what number would go in the denominator?
5.
5. Why?
Because that's the whole.
Because that's the whole. We have a whole of 5 hexagons. Now, if I asked you to come and color 2 hexagons, that's what I'm going to ask you to do. So please walk to the board and you can color 2. If I asked you to write this whole in a fraction, we know that the denominator is going to be what?
5.
Because that's how many we have. What number would go in the top?
2.
In the numerator position, the number 2 would go in the top. How did you know the number 2 goes in top?
Because that's how many are colored in.
Because that's how many colors we've colored in. We did something with those 2. Out of the whole of the 5, we did something with the 2. So that's how we know our fraction. Okay? So that's how we get our fractions, right? So when we add fractions together, we have to look for that the denominator is what?
5.
The same. Right. So if we're going to add 2/5 plus 3/5, we would get how many?
5/5 or 1.
Oops, yeah. 5th or 1. That's right. So the same thing is going to happen when we are subtracting fractions. The denominators, we have to look and make sure they are the same. Okay? We're going to do this example. So I've drawn a slice of pizza, and that pizza equals 1/8. Okay? And the little problem we have here is says if we have 7/8 and eat 3/8, how many do we have left? So first we have to count our pizzas and make sure there is how many?
8.
No?
Oh, 7.
That's right. Because we only have 7/8. So 7/8 is our whole. Okay? So we have to count and make sure we have 7/8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Great job. And I'm going to say we eat how many of those?
3.
3/8. That's right. So what are you going to do? How are you going to show me that 3 of these are gone?
Take away 3.
Take away 3. Can you come and mark out 3 slices, please? 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to count and see how many pizzas we have left, because that's what the question is asking us. So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. That's right. Now we did this. We created these fractions using pictures. But we're going to learn how to do the same thing without using pictures. We're going to use these same numbers.